We've been working with OpenEdX since 2013. Yeah, and we have the largest team of engineers of OpenEdX in the world. We are a full service provider. We provide installation and deployment services. We customize OpenEdX platform for different clients. We provide hosting for them on different cloud platforms. We can make any kind of theming and customization and everything for all the different clients and whatever their requirements are. And we also provide a white label service for on our own SaaS platform for Edly. Most of our success is with the non-profits, educational institutions and businesses, but we also cater to K-12 and other organizations that want to provide internal trainings to their staff and everything. OpenEdX community is a very close-knit and very, every individual or team or company involved with the community, they try and not only just work for each other, for their own benefit, but they also try to provide as much benefit to the platform itself. So it's been an absolute pleasure. OpenEdX is a very customizable and it has a lot of different integrations with third-party tools that we can offer to our clients. Obviously, it is open source as well, so that's one big positive about it. So yeah, a lot of good things, and it aligns with our mission and vision to what an LMS should be. They can go to our website, edly.io. They can have our contacts, and they can get in touch with the sales and marketing team. They can talk directly to me at qasim.saeed@arbisoft.com. That's my email address. So they can do that. But yeah, it's been amazing working with OpenEdX, and we hope to continue building and helping OpenEdX achieve more success in the future.